information and knowledge which in the past, not very long actually, just recently in the 80s, it was a nightmare to access a lot of information, either in journals, but also in the great literature. I recall a time, actually not in the 90s, when ITM was trying to write a book on medicinal plants, the collection of medicinal plants that the Institute has made over years. And we had a lot of time to comb through the University of Dar es Salaam library to collect information in the dust. You stay in the library for an hour. When you come out, you already have flu. And that was quite a nightmare. Mrs. Wilson is smiling. She's so proud of that, and the pain can actually be very clearly appreciated through that experience. So I would like to really thank the Director, Library Services, for making this initiative of movement at MUHAS possible. She has championed the process all alone. It is going to be of substantial benefit to MUHAS, especially zero in on the issue of ranking of universities by publications. You will note and appreciate the fact that MUHAS for the last 2 years has been ranked highly among universities in the country, in East Africa, and the world at large. But then let me say that we have in these 2 years come behind Makerere University and the University of Nairobi. And what is it that made these two other universities to come on top serially for 2 years? At least I have had the opportunity to learn that Makerere University has an open repository for many years now, and they have utilized the open repository to actually upload their publications, their research reports, and through this they have actually held an edge over other universities in East Africa. And I think this is the magic that they have used to actually beat us in the university ranking. So since we had this with the Director of Library Service, and I know I had a word with the DBC at way back, I think last year, if not earlier, about the impact of this institutional repository and how we should actually even have an internal competition among deans and directors of institutes in terms of how much information we are able to upload onto the institutional repository, because then that would translate to higher grading or higher ranking of the university. So colleagues, the training that we are going to get today is an avenue for empowerment. It's a road towards higher achievement. I hope we take it up with a lot of passion, with a lot of commitment, so that we can realize the dream of retaining MUHAS in the ranking, but also an even higher ambition to be ranked higher among universities of the world. Having said that, it's also my belief that the workshop will add value in your competencies in open access. It will stimulate your interest in actually using open access journals for publication of your papers. You will encourage the people that you are leading to utilize the institutional repository, but also go for open access publishing. Having said